Today topic viscosity. Viscosity means the property of the fluid by virtue of which it opposes the relative motion between its different layers is called viscosity. That means it is like a friction only. Whenever fluid is running at that time, in between layers opposing force is working. That property is called viscosity. Which force is opposing in between layers whenever a relative motion is there, that is called viscous force. Velocity gradient. Velocity gradient means rate of change of velocity with distance is known as velocity gradient. That means velocity changing with the distance with respect to distance. Next, SI unit of velocity gradient 1/second. Coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity eta. According to the Newton's law, this tangent force, viscous force is directly proportional to the area and velocity gradient. That means F is directly proportional to A, F is directly proportional to velocity gradient means dV by dx. After removing this proportional symbol, F is equals to eta into A dV by dx minus. Minus means here this is opposing force, that's why we are taking negative. Eta is equals to F by A dV by dx. This negative indicates that the force act in a direction opposed to the flow of fluid. Eta is the proportional constant. Whenever this area is 1, velocity gradient is 1 at that time, this tangential force equals to the coefficient of viscosity. SI unit of coefficient of viscosity is Newton second per meter square, otherwise or Poisson or 1 deca-Poisson. CCS unit of coefficient of viscosity dyne second per centimeter square or Poisson. What is the relation between SI unit to CCS unit? 1 Poisson is equals to 10 Poisson. Dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity. Here force dimensional formula m into A, m into acceleration L by t square. Next, velocity gradient is time, actually 1 by time it will go up. Next, area, centimeter square means L square, L get cancelled, T get cancelled. Finally, coefficient of viscosity dimensional formula m power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 1. Next, based on this problem, one metal plate of area 400 centimeter square is placed on a glycerin layer of thickness 5 millimeter. Eta is 2 Pascal second. What is the horizontal force required to move the plate with a velocity of 5 centimeter per second? Here we want to find out force. Here area, cross-sectional area 400 centimeter square. Conversion 1 centimeter is equals to 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Actually 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Whenever we are taking reverse, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Same as it is, 1 meter is equals to 10 to the power of minus 3 millimeter. Whenever we are taking reverse, 1 millimeter is equals to 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Here area 400 centimeter square. Instead of centimeter, 10 to the power of minus 2 square is there, na? That's why 10 to the power of minus 4. This is positive 2, this is negative 4. 10 to the power of minus 2 meter square we are getting. Dx. Dx is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. Here 5 millimeter they are given in question. Eta is 10 Pascal second. dV is 5 centimeter per second. After converting in meters, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter per second. Now substitute these values in formula. F is equals to eta into A into dV by dx. Eta value is 2, area is 2, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. dV is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. X value, dx value 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 5 get cancelled. Here minus 4 is there, downside minus 3. Remaining 4 to the 8 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Answer is 0.8 Newton. Next question. In the shearing stress between the horizontal layers of water in a river is 1.5 millinewton per meter square, and coefficient of viscosity of water 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Pascal second. What is the velocity gradient? Here we want to find out velocity gradient. Velocity gradient we want to find out. F by A, they are given in question. F by A 1.5 milli means 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton per meter square. Next eta value 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Pascal second. We want to find out dV by dx. Substitute in this formula. F by A is equals to eta into dV by dx. F by A for 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. F by A value, eta value take it in cross multiply, 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 dV by dx. Now 10 to the power of minus 3 get cancelled. Velocity gradient, rate of change of velocity with the distance 1.5 per second. Thank you.